for Arehosem BAC, Ewo Kumasi Santase. Na this particular story, no, I think this year in Kasano we've recorded a lot of deaths. Now from Kumasi, no, a lot of ladies are being killed. I don't know what's happening. But answer never to us and subscribe and click the notification bell. No, we understand latest news be about once that ever can. About what fair be. Asem we are Arehosem. I've tried and assembly see it. Now I've tried very hard to get more information on this, but still no as a information no share that in the paper, but I just decided to bring it to you anyway. Ababa wabi nidin yate say your friend no ewo social media Blaze Quendi. Na video be go viral. Ababa wano na wewu ena tese yabona deja ena utunu se form efri ne num o na Arehosem ewo we ni ehun no se baby a wo wu ye no ene ne fie enwa baby a wo wu ye ene ne fie enwa na unhu se ne ababa wano wewu a the first thing that will come into your head is nkrofo ena edi ne sa anyambran same way nkrofo na edi ne sa wudi same way. Because Yabona Deja and out to know say she was you could see say she was struggling. Into democracy to say as a nkrofo a rapino. But as to omo raping and sa womo kuno and na rape no one no wuye and na womo kuno and sa na womo raping no one can actually tell. Police for are tight-lipped on this issue. But the fact they say Ababawa we you who say what to say what da former we wu from efini numa ya ben bush bia e won the area name put mo ho address and the area mo ho a nkrofo ad areho etie for assembly there some people have sent me Ababa one in the pictures who say yes or your bar wujina ne nan so ye pan say or your bojina ne nan so ye say me ka say me pese me de ne picture no I can the age me sure say she'll be in her early 20s. She'll be in her early 20s. So she nimpukia na say ne ye bia wujina ho abon say she'll be in her early 20s. Say Arehosem. I just don't know what to say, but a bit more I can't say your slave queen stripped and made a slave queen because in the pictures I post it over social media. I need to know say yes play many bar in time baby mo I say we slave queen no na sa Blaze Quendi I don't know the school months and baby I will school or and na me din kan tell no we still don't know I will for emba bonten emfa and sem ember 2 yaye. But a lot of people are talking about this why when them say Ghana the assembly say here e yan nkrofo per se one more pass one more comment na yeah autopsy police for amayati as say one more autopsy na one more autopsy now obviously and him say family no and one more day bekwa koto mo ni but same way there you need the HU party for the latest on it yeah the bebro it's investigation into her death no it has already started but why when him say assembly say yeah na nkrofo ekasa it's the nkrofo eka and they say hey see as a nkrofo raping as a say raping no it's that's the story over there. Kumasi Santa saying that we see it. Obi comment about passing was say oh God. Now Ababa one in the picture no nkrofo comment was also say wow what a beautiful lady. I don't know why these things are happening in Ghana these days. I just don't know why these things are happening in Ghana these days. Wow. Obviously those called slave queens. How these girls are rushing in life. The Sakawa boys too, they use them for their rituals. She could learn sense in another life. The Asema will be Eka and they say, slave queens, see, I say Sakawa boys not an Ekumo. But men, I don't know. Ghana has a what are you will be slave queen? Ayana, as a Nipakono, Mino, the American say, Nidin the Blaze Quendi. That's her name on social media. Obviously, that's not her real name, but that's her name on social media. As to whether she's a slave queen or not, no. what even shows say we is slave queen then they who say we is slave queen because now saying there who say we buy be dress it maybe you can say on check kaba any slate now was any other dress now atayna was shane ne ho ayefe wo mu a eye den kran na nkrofo friend slave queen sisi anasana Ghana has a yakoye into omo friend slave queen na will be a pass comment say oh slave queen see the Sakawa boys na edi omo yere I think this is actually not right say will be a can say oh she go learn sense in another life like you don't even need to say this you kun will be back na sebe na wofo eko social media no mu who comment be say oh yes say you kun no na you kun no wakoba wo besu anyansa Sakawa boys na be kun no I mean it is not right whether the person is a slave queen or not whether nipa kono wa na dwen say Sakawa for na na wo be date or not I don't think it's right for you to pass such a comment. I don't think it's right say was say what can say nipa no yes say you kuno na okoba wo besu anyansa that is just not right. What is not right is not right. It's no more sebe araho send bi ba na sebe predians amu comment amobe pass na mo pass comment bi say no enye munjai emboa ba ko say it's no wa wonim say asem si aya na ngrofo eba obi eka say ask who wa show obi nso dey done politics or say ask who to me and his dwarfs they like prostitutes. Na trese obi eka say lady no sebe oya shawo ni na yenko bisa chairman who to me and sebe ne mutia. I don't know why say same si Ghana say is any laugh me chairman no asem si adane politics asem bi ebesi bia no adane politics sisi will be able won to me then because won to me is the Ashanti regional chairman for the MPP into be say yengo bisa won to me na you know obi so comment a work can or say ask Ofosu Ampofo as you don't look anywhere further than accosting NDC leadership. I think the agenda is set in motion already. Into will be Edeka say, oh, you this a chairman to me MPP for no this and I'm around say will be so can say you go be self for some for it's here for media maker M say in komo be say in yama be say ba in komo we mu and what we actually need to desist from things like this. It will not help us, it will not help the country. And boy, and ya debia, ebe boy, ebe more mine, afe bibia, the bear politics, a man and coso, Mr. Ramo. Comments no, ayana, ya deba, yan drain sebe, or more this year, it will know. Ayana deba, yan drain. Now, some of I think 1 month or 2 months ago, me reported Ramo say, ya sorry, yani who say, ladies too being so, you kumo ewo kumase. Na omo nso wo behu pepepe se ya wro wo mo ho akoye se wo mo a okun omo no omo ni omo dae. This particular lady no yen try the private part bia obo so okay ritual killing, but you would see say she was forced in a way say as a wo mo rape no. The earlier report I made about I think last 2 months or the last month and also made the bill now a very big story wo Kumasi say 2 ladies ye kun omo no and also sa pepepe wo I know there is what Abrepo within the Kumasi metropolis now. Abrepo ne see, but where the AC was Santase angasa Santase. Ya rewosem eba. Mr. Oyobana would say me na Kumasi, even not in Kumasi alone. What would him say? Ye kidnapping takrade eba ye kidnapping for Kumasi so way and eba. Mr. Oyobana would say me be very very vigilant. Ayana. Uyo bia wotai pe anadjupie uyo bia upia anadjo a mesre ubetwa so atwaso for your own life sake atiase mesre ubetwa so atwaso na say Ghana yehu just last 2 weeks or the last 3 weeks it's also reported chairman and no the Ashaiman nkrofo 3 yekuomo etwa wo motachema eni omuni atiase intino sisi ade Ghana yehu pint no oyo ba o oyo be ma o mesre anadwope no because all these things it happens in the evening and you may at dawn and anyama we near so oyo ba na mo ye we ahye ho so den open and you may and anadwope mesre there's not the time because Ghana are very very serious but mon try my comment box no take for me that say